In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage instructor enrollment in Tutorlms. Whether you're setting this up for the first time or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. So, let's dive right in. The first thing we need to do is navigate to the WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main WordPress admin interface. From here, look at the menu on the left side of your screen and find the option that says Tutorlms. It might be located a bit further down the list depending on your setup, but it's there. Click on Tutorlms and then select Settings from the sub-menu that appears. Now that we are in the Settings area, we'll see various tabs across the top. The one we're interested in today is labeled Advanced. Go ahead and click on the Advanced tab. This section hosts some of the finer details of your Tutorlms setup, and it's where we will make the necessary adjustments for instructor enrollment. Now let's focus on assigning the instructor registration page. This is crucial because it's the page where potential instructors will register to join your platform, so we want to make sure it's properly configured. In the Advanced settings, you'll see an option to assign this registration page. Look for a drop-down menu that's specifically for selecting the instructor registration page. Click on this drop-down, and you should see a list of pages that you've previously created within WordPress. You want to select the specific page that you've set up or plan to use specifically for instructor registration. If you haven't created this page yet, now might be a good time to pause and do that. Ideally, your instructor registration page should include all the necessary information and fields that potential instructors need to fill out to register with your platform. Once you've made your selection from the drop-down, you're almost done. The last step in this process is to save your changes. This is essential because if you don't save, all your hard work might be undone if you navigate away from this page. Simply scroll to the bottom of the page and you'll see a Save Changes button. Go ahead and click on that to ensure your settings are securely stored. And there you have it. You've successfully managed the instructor enrollment setup for your Tutorlms platform. With this process, you've ensured that instructors can easily find and use the registration page, making the experience seamless for both you and them. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment down below, and we'll do our best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and happy teaching.